Do you really struggle with copywriting? I'm talking about everything from product descriptions to captions to just even writing the simplest things on your website or your blog. Maybe even writing emails. The point of the matter is we're not in school anymore. Nobody wants to keep writing forever. But as a business owner, it's one of the top paying skills you really need to know. Copywriting is the art of writing that sells. Now, if you always write like a salesman, people are going to treat you like a salesman. And nobody wants to buy from a salesman. But if you write like somebody that wants to be someone else's friend, you actually take the time to develop your relationships with them and maybe even expose yourself in the process, make yourself a little more vulnerable. People are going to want to do more business with you because people buy from other people. People build trust from other people. Now, there's one way you can do it, right? You can sit down, you can write yourself verbatim, word for word, every single piece of content that you ever put out there. But imagine just how long that's going to take. Now, what if there was a way you can speed up the process? What if there was an intelligent robot that could write a good chunk of the text for you? Or even better, give you ideas of what you can write for future projects. I'm Isaiah Gibson. I'm going to show you exactly what you can use to do just that. So make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you how you can get access to this awesome copywriting bot for free. But if you really want to use the scale, I'm going to show you how you can get 50,000 credits using my links. Now, what that's going to allow you to do is going to allow you to create over 50,000 characters using this copywriting bot every single month. So with that being said, let's hop right in. So the tool we're using today is called Rytr. Now, it's really appropriate, right? Rytr so far has saved people over 900,000 hours in writing their content. Now, this allows you to speed up your own workflow. Instead of you spending hours thinking about popular subject lines or headers, trying to make your stuff SEO optimized, Rytr can do that for you. And look, as you can see, they can do titles, they can do Instagram captions, YouTube descriptions, whatever. How much does all this cost, you ask? Nothing. As you see here, Rytr is free forever. Upgrade as you scale. And as you can see, I've already used Rytr to make a crap ton of stuff. So if you go into my history or my account, I'll even show you. This month I've used 21,000 credits. And I've been using these guys like crazy. I use Rytr a great deal, guys. And so my credits reset on the 14th. So I still have 3 days at the time of this recording to use 28,000 credits. It's really hard to do that. All right, so currently I'm on the AppSumo plan, and that's what I'm going to show you guys. If you use my link below, you also get 50,000 credits per month at a discounted price. Now, what can you use Rytr for? Rytr, you can use them to create blogs, to create business pitches. You can use them to do different kinds of copywriting. PAS means problem, agitate, solution. And ADA is one of my favorites. So here you're going to give it pretty much a description of how you're going to use it. Okay, you can use it for your emails. You can select the tone, select which language you want it in. And they have tons of different languages you can write this in, which means they're an international program. So if you got followers or if your client base is from different countries, you can use the same program to create similar content for those different countries. Then you select the tone that you want it to be in, choose passionate, and then you just start giving it parameters to create your emails for you. All right, so how you use Rytr is that first you'll choose a tone, you'll choose a use case. In my case, I'm going to have it create an email for me, or in this case, 2 variants of an email, and you choose the key points that you want it to hit. In this case, I just pretty much wrote a brief story description. I'm going to see how it does. You hit write for me, give it a few seconds, and the bot does its thing. Could take a little longer depending on your internet connection or your computer specs, but this is it. So let's try the second one. Struggling to make ends meet, I found a way. That's your subject line. And that seems like a pretty solid one. I think I would click on that. Hi, recipient. I'm sure you're not alone when it comes to feeling like you're barely making it. The idea of saving up for a house seems impossible. Getting health credit is nearly impossible. Now I will change these. And in order to change it, you just pretty much highlight whatever word you want to use. So let's say I don't want to use impossible, right? You hit more. You can choose either append, shorten, expand, or plagiarism. Or you can choose rephrase, but you need between 30 and 100 characters. I know what you're going through because I've been there too, trying to find a solution. I learned about this. It's hard at first, but after 3 years, I now have passive income to provide for my family. You can do the same. Now, this is pretty sweet. But then if you go to this one seems like more of a story to me. Writing you because of the topic of your recent post, struggling with student loan debt. I've also been in this position before. I want to share my story with you. Now, notice how it's automatically connecting your situation with the person's. But it doesn't do that unless you give it the parameters, right? You have to be as detailed as possible here within its 250 characters. Less is more, but at the same time, more is more. So you want to be kind of specific, but make sure it hits certain pain points that are going to make people want to learn more about whatever offer you're promoting. And so if you want to expand on this, right? It was hard at first, but after 3 years work, I now have passive income, able to provide for my family without any worries. So now I'm just going to highlight this entire sentence and say, okay, now I want to do a paragraph of that sentence. All right. And now look, it just gave me a few more sentences to really kind of add to this pain point, this struggle, giving them a solution. Earn passive income by giving up your job and working smarter, not harder. It was hard to work at first to work my side hustle, but after 3 years, I now have passive income. And again, it's a copywriting bot, so it's not perfect. You can say, look, you just repeated here what you repeated there. So I want to rephrase this. Now, saying similar things but different, right? Because it's a copywriting bot and you're giving it parameters. But this is a really sweet tool to use because here you got your different SEO kind of options. You got your different headers. You can create lists. And all you do is pretty much use this. You can do back quotes, highlight stuff, select alls. You can change how text is aligned. And all you do is you highlight all of these, copy and paste it into whatever program you're using. So let's use another example. So you can also use Rytr to create awesome titles for your videos. All right, so here I typed in Stay at Home Dad's Learning Affiliate Marketing. And it gave me these two at the bottom. And the first one I typed was Parents Learning Affiliate Marketing and gave me these two at the top. How to become an affiliate marketer from scratch. These are searchable keywords that people are looking for in YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. How to make money, stay-at-home dads, daily tasks and earnings. Maybe not that one so much, but that will allow you to score better on YouTube because it's super specific. Now, will people search that word for word? Maybe not. They'll search how to make money, stay-at-home dad, but maybe not daily tasks and earnings. Again, this is an AI copywriting bot, so it's not perfect. Every AI is going to give you something like this, something that isn't 100% ideal, but you'll be able to work from it. You can start from it. Even if you just use how to make money online, stay-at-home dads, that's going to be a popular video for you. Stay-at-home dad trying to earn money online, exclamation point. That could be a really nice thumbnail idea for you. Depending on how you use this, it's also going to determine what results you get out of it. It's just extremely versatile. Now that's how you're going to use just one copywriting bot to create all of your copy that you're going to need for any particular use. You can use it to create your emails, your sales funnels copy. You can use it to create your blog posts. You can use it to create your video descriptions and your captions. That's one free tool. Rytr has been phenomenal for me personally, as well as a ton of other friends of mine. It's totally free to use, right? Totally free to start. But after a while, you're going to expand your free credits they give you, in which case you're going to need more. How do you get these credits? You say you can either buy them on a per use basis or for a month and just refills every month. The plan I'm talking about gives you 50,000 credits, and you'll find it below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, so I can do more content like this for you. I'm all about helping you guys grow your online businesses and finding the best tools at affordable prices that can do it for you. So guys, that's going to be it for me. Isaiah gets from Passive Income Pub and Lightwolf Visuals, signing off.